What's up, guys? I'm Chase.
And I'm Landon. Today we're unboxing the newly released Nike Dunk High Sports Specialties. Let's go.
So looking at these in hand, my overall first impressions on these are fire. I love this entire colorway itself. I really do think that Nike killed it with this kind of retro design for this Nike Dunk. But that's my first impressions. Landon, what are your thoughts?
Yeah, so the colorway does look really great on these. And then you're going to have that like official Nike merchandise patch with the basketball running through it on the heel for both shoes. I think that gives these a really cool look. And then the like kind of carpet looking details for this like base with the blue and the green look really solid on this shoe. I think these came out nice. So giving these a rating 1 to 5, what are you going to give it?
I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5 for me. Personally, I would give it a 5 out of 5, but the Nike Dunk quality seems to be diminishing over time. So I am going to lock it in at a 4 to 5, but overall, still a super clean colorway. So what's your rating?
Yeah, so I'm actually going to give these a 4.5 out of 5. This is one of my favorite like Dunk High models that I've ever gotten in person. So, I mean, like I said, the details go crazy. I like that patch. They do give you a white lace swap, although I do think the blue ones that are in there right now probably are going to look a little bit better. But yeah, giving these a 4.5 out of 5 for me. But that's actually going to wrap up our unboxing for the Nike Dunk High Sports Specialties. Thank you guys for taking some time to watch.
And if you guys like this shoe, definitely give this video a like. And if you don't, let us know why in the comments below. And while you're there, feel free to give them a rating yourself, 1 to 5. Until next episode.
Peace.